Today, Phil and I are going to go over multiple choice number 1. It says, given the graph at right, which of the following is not true? We are given the f prime of x, and Phil is going to talk to us about how to solve this. You ready, Phil?
Of course I'm ready. I figured it out. I know what's wrong. Okay, so it says given the graph at right. It says at right on the test. That wasn't an error on our part. That was an error on the test. If it's an error on the test, then the person who wrote it must not be from America. If they're not from America, they're foreign. And if you're foreign, chances are you're from Russia. And why is that? Because the population is so high. The population is 142,900,000. That's a big population, so a big chance you're from there. If we take all 4 of the regular digits that aren't the zeros, we take out the zeros because they're just going to be 0 anyway. It's going to be 1, 4, 2, 9. Add those together, and what do we get? We get 16. And because there are 4 of these digits, we take the 4th root of 16. Now, what does the 4th root of 16 equal? Huh? Can you tell me that? I'll tell you what it is. It's 2! The answer was 2, because if we take 2 and we go to the second letter in the alphabet, it's B. That means the answer is B! That's why! This is why! The answer's gotta be B! I got it! Yes!
Well, I'm not too sure what that was about, but what we want to do here is first take a look at all 3 graphs. Here we have f prime of x, so we'll also want to have f of x and f double prime of x. And once we have those graphs, we can take a look at the answers here. For f double prime of x at 0, it is less than 0. Here we can take a look at f double prime of x at 0, and it is indeed less than 0. The second choice we're going to want to look at is f double prime at 2 is greater than 0. So here, f double prime at 2 is indeed greater than 0. So these two are both true. The next one we'll want to take a look at if f of x at 1 is less than f of x at 2. Here we can see that f of x at 1 is greater than f of x at true, which makes that not true. So here, our last answer is going to be B. F of x at 1 is less than 0 is not true.